broken Craftsman Evolve tool. The brand Evolve came out in about 2008. The Evolve Craftsman brand replaced the companion Craftsman brand. This Evolve line only has a limited lifetime warranty. So if I break it, can I get a new one? I have a Lowe's, they sell Craftsman. They're not allowed to open up any new packages, but they said if I could find it a la carte or sold individually, they could replace it. Now, I couldn't find any of the Evolve line. Now, they do have a drawer of individual sockets. Now, every time I go into the store, I check to see if they have my size. Now, after about 8 months of checking, they finally had a T25. It's a 1/4 inch drive instead of a 3/8, but I'm excited to finally see one. So I explained to the staff, I have this Evolve socket, but I don't have the receipt. I lost it years ago, and I believe the warranty says you have to have the receipt. Well, the staff at Lowe's were very kind. They switched out my Evolve for the Craftsman brand. I was pretty excited because the T25 is a very popular size. Since it's a 1/4 inch instead of a 3/8, I'll just wrap some tape around it. Now it'll fit with my set. A while ago, I was given the number to call Craftsman to get a replacement. After an hour on the phone with some country that barely understood my language. Then for some reason they asked me for my credit card. I decided it wasn't worth the risk. I bought a new set at Harbor Freight for a fraction of the price. And this isn't a limited lifetime warranty, this is a lifetime warranty on these. And Harbor Freight absolutely honors their lifetime warranty. I have broken numerous tools and brought them back, and they give me exactly what I need. So I've started backing off the Craftsman tools and starting to go to the Harbor Freight ones. Maybe Craftsman tools will make a comeback. Until then, I'll just stick with these Harbor Freight tools. It's kind of a shame with Craftsman because I'm the 3rd generation buying Craftsman tools. I've got Craftsman tools from my dad and my grandfather, and a lot of good memories in those tools. Well, anyway, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.